Hi guys! Today we gonna learn DIY paper flower sticks, make artistic and easy paper flower sticks, simple paper crafts. So you need some required materials. First you have to take 5 shape of different color papers, 8 into 8 cm red paper, 7 into 1 cm yellow paper, 10 into 30 cm green paper, 11 into 3 cm green paper, 7 into 3 cm.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Now take the 8 into 8 cm red paper and crease it by your hands. Keep it again before its shape is become a triangle. Now cut its corners by a scissor to make a new shape. Keep your eyes carefully. Wow, now it's become a beautiful flower. Cut its side again. Glue its one corner to attach it with another corner. Make more paper flower by the same way. Now take the 7 into 3 cm green paper and cut it a new shape. Finally take the 7 into 1 cm yellow paper and cut it also as like showing on the video. Then crease it roundly. Now take 10 into 30 cm green paper and crease it roundly as like a stick. Glue its last corner to bind it. Now cut its both sides. Take the red paper flower and attach tiny size yellow paper on middle center on it with glue. Take the paper stick and cut its top as like showing on the screen. Now attach the flower on top of the paper stick with glue. Attach rest flower and rest leaf on paper stick's body with glue. Make it more color by the same way. Keep attaching. Keep attaching. Okay, now see how beautiful of your making flower is. So by this you can make more DIY paper flower sticks, make artistic and easy paper flower sticks, simple paper crafts.